Hey, Needlebender757 here in Boulder, Colorado with another 757 Boulder Built Amplifier video. This one here is of a 2-tube Gi-7b amplifier. Runs on 110 volts, desktop style. Got all the best of the best parts in this thing, of course. Brand new transformer from down there in Texas at Universal Transformer Company. European capacitors on the filter board there, lots of them, big ones. Yeah, nice rectifier board, all the good stuff. We come over here, see those nice Russian steel ceramic tubes in the back there. Everything's overkill in here, just the best of the best. We've got vacuum variables on there, way overkill. We've got a vacuum blocker right here, and that's way overkill too, you know, but a really high quality and good part. You know, that does a very important job. It keeps the 3,000 volts we have over here from getting over in this section over here to doing damage and other stuff. It's basically a high voltage blocker. Lets the RF through, but not the high voltage. Blocks the DC high voltage. And if the DC high voltage comes through, you know, shit goes really wrong, and it can be dangerous. So it's really important to use a really high quality blocker. I mean, I've seen amps out there that have something like this in it. Actually, this exact part in it. Some Indochina, Japanese, Koreanesia junk. You know, it's not a matter of if it fails, it's a matter of when it'll fail. And when it fails, stuff's not going to be good for you. And you know, it's a $10 part there versus that's well over $100 for that one there. And that's why they use those cheap parts. It's like what you can get away with versus overkill. I like overkill. You should at least have a quality blocker like this in. This is a proper blocker for the job, you know. And when it comes to someone's life and safety, you should always use a good part. But I like overkill. You see something like that in your amplifier, run away or go the other direction or get it replaced. I don't know. It's just not good news. Anyway, moving forward, all the best of the best in here. And that's what this glitch resistor here is for. That's what this is right here, this coil that goes here to the ground. If anything actually gets through here, it's going to ground it out and short it and take care of the problem that way, and hopefully keep it from going elsewhere. Anyway, moving forward, we've got, and it's hard to see, back here we've got a really high quality EBM fan. Moves a ton of air. Just all the best of the best in the top here. The bottom's really complicated, and there's a lot underneath there. Big contactors and stuff, but I'm not going to go into that at this moment. This is probably one of maybe two videos I'll make on this. This is an initial RF test of the 2-tube Gi-7b. That all being said, let me pause this for a second, and I'm going to put the lid on to make it a little bit safer while we run it, and we'll proceed and show what it does. Okay, we've got the lid on, kind of, 2 screws holding it in place. Not too noisy with the fan running. I haven't engaged the high voltage yet. There's a couple things I want to still do to this before it's ready to go, so there'll probably be a follow-up video. I still need to do some labeling on the front. I'm not happy with this meter here. It doesn't settle back down, and I tried to adjust it down, so just little tiny things, and I want to tidy up some wires and stuff, but hey, it's running. We're good enough to do a video on it. So if you push this right now at this point, it'll start the high voltage startup, and we can see that here. And there we got it. Right at around 3,000 volts we're sitting at there. And You've got a standby operate switch there, green or red for stop, green for go. So we're good to go there, but we're going to go to stop for a minute. And let's see what we're feeding it with. It's designed to go with a 100-watt radio, so that's what I'm going to show it with right now. Audio. 100 watts in, and that's the max I'd really hit it with too. I mean, you could probably go a little bit more, but I wouldn't recommend it. But we're going to turn it on. These tubes really aren't that warmed up. We just got her fired up, but let's see what she's doing here. Audio. Hello. Audio. Test 1 2 3 4. Hello. Testing 1 2. And it seems to be working pretty good there. 1800 on that. A little bit more, 1850. This is a little out of the range for the slug I've got in there. I've got a 1000-watt slug. It will do double that the way it's set up right now. Let's see what this one says. Audio. About 1925, hitting it peaked it out there for a minute. Audio. Oh, yeah, did it again, overload. But yeah, it's up there. Audio. 1 2 1 2. Hello, audio. Working real good. 100 watts drive. Almost 2,000 out of it. This thing's really meant to cruise and last right around 1,500 watts. You know, so if you back down on the input a little bit, I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's see how much we'd have to back down to get there. Let's see. We got audio. Now let's get 75 watts in. Audio. Let's see what we get with 75 watts in. Audio. We're getting 1,700 out, so actually it's working real well. Anyway, we're going to do some more things to it, change a few things, and just make it work a little bit better than she already is. But this one will be up and available soon as well. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Needlebender 757 here in Boulder, Colorado. We're going to get back on that side smoking. See ya.